A hiker has gone missing in a remote, rugged mountain range. There is no cell signal and there are no roads. Time is running out. However, there is still hope. A flying robot that can see, hear, and think. A drone. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV, is an aircraft that flies without a human pilot on board. It can either be operated remotely by a person using a controller, or it can fly entirely on its own, following instructions from a pre-programmed flight plan. It relies on satellites, sensors, motors, and a powerful onboard computer to operate. At the very center of the drone lies its most intelligent component, the flight controller. This is essentially a miniature computer that constantly receives information from several sensors, including the inertial measurement unit, the barometer, the GPS module, and the magnetometer. It uses this data to make real-time decisions about how each motor should behave. It is running software such as Urdu Pilot, Betaflight, or PX4 to maintain stability, respond to user inputs, and carry out automated missions. In many ways, the flight controller is the brain of the entire flying system. Drones are inherently unstable by design. In order to maintain balance and orientation, they rely heavily on the inertial measurement unit. This unit includes a gyroscope that measures the angular velocity of the drone and an accelerometer that detects changes in motion and orientation. Together, these components allow the flight controller to make hundreds of tiny adjustments every second, keeping the drone stable in the air, even in windy or uneven conditions. The drone's movement is made possible through the use of brushless direct current motors, commonly known as brushless DC motors. Each motor is connected to an electronic speed controller, or ESC, which receives commands from the flight controller and adjusts the motor's speed within milliseconds. By increasing or decreasing the thrust from specific motors, the drone can roll left or right, pitch forward or backward, yaw left or right, or ascend and descend. Many drones are equipped with high-definition or even ultra-high-definition cameras. These cameras are mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which stabilizes the footage by compensating for any shaking or tilting of the drone itself. This allows the drone to capture smooth and clear video, whether it's flying over a movie set, a construction site, or a search and rescue zone. Drones come in various forms, each designed for specific tasks. First, we have fixed-wing drones. These look like traditional airplanes and can glide through the air with minimal power. They are ideal for long-range missions, such as surveying farmland or mapping large areas. Second, there are rotary-wing drones. These include helicopters and multi-rotors like quadcopters. They can take off and land vertically, hover in one place, and are highly maneuverable. This makes them perfect for aerial photography, inspections, and emergency response. Third, there are hybrid drones. These drones combine the endurance of fixed-wing models with the vertical takeoff ability of rotary-wing designs. They are used in cutting-edge applications like drone delivery and border surveillance. Now let us explore the leading manufacturers in the global drone industry. Number 1 is DJI, short for Dajiang Innovations, based in China. They dominate the market with over 70% share. Their drones, such as the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, offer incredible image quality and advanced flight features. Prices range from $400 to over $2,000 United States dollars. Second is Parrot, a French company known for the Parrot Anafi drone. It features a compact design and 4K video recording, typically priced between $500 and $1,000. Third is Unique, another Chinese company offering drones like the Typhoon H3, a 6-rotor drone with professional-grade imaging and obstacle avoidance. These drones are usually priced between $1,000 and $1,500. Fourth is Autel Robotics, which operates in both the United States and China. Their standout model, the Evo Lite Plus, boasts a large camera sensor and over 40 minutes of flight time. It sells for approximately $1,500. Fifth is Skydio, an American manufacturer famous for its autonomous flying technology. The Skydio 2 can navigate complex environments using only its onboard cameras and artificial intelligence. It is priced between $900 and $1,500. So what exactly makes a drone fly? It all begins with the flight controller, the intelligent brain of the system. It reads data from sensors like the inertial measurement unit, barometer, GPS module, and magnetometer. It sends precise instructions to the motors through the electronic speed controllers. The brushless motors spin the propellers, generating lift. A lithium polymer battery powers it all. Cameras and gimbals provide the eyes, while software and artificial intelligence make the drone smarter and more autonomous every day. The drone is not just a flying toy, it is a sophisticated flying robot, designed to help us capture breathtaking views, deliver urgent supplies, monitor environments, and even save lives.